Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the National Parks and Monuments Trails series. Today we travel to North Dakota to take the Boicourt Trail at Theodore Roosevelt National Park. This trail is about 0.8 miles and took us about 35 minutes to complete. It has an elevation gain of just under 100 feet across its length. It is open to the sun, so I advise packing that sunscreen for this one. About halfway through the trail is a solid concrete path, and then the second half is a dirt path that heads out into the hills. It's in the open plains, so it can get quite windy, and when we took the hike, there was smoke from distant wildfires, making the air really hazy and reducing visibility. Even with the reduced visibility, the hills and views are beautiful straight from the start of the trail. The layers of rocks on the mounds in the area, they're just beautiful to see, and the trail has nothing blocking your views as you start to make your way to the viewpoints. The path tries to stay and follow the highest point along this outcropping as it heads further. The concrete path is striking as it cuts through the green grass on either side of the trail. As the concrete comes to an end at the first viewpoint, there is a bench where you can sit and take in the view should you desire. The path then turns to a dirt path, one that is cut into the grass by the repeated footfalls of people seeking that second viewpoint. The trail follows the hills, staying on the left side, so most of your views will be to your left. There's a really neat little rise where you see a bush and the hints of the trail forward, and then walking further down the trail, it gradually reveals the trail in the distance, and you can finally see that second overlook come into view. The trail narrows as you get closer to the viewpoint, so take your time, especially if the winds are high. A fall from here would not be the most enjoyable thing in the world. My favorite part of the trail is that second viewpoint. It takes a little longer to get to, but the view from the final point is fantastic. The view of the overlook as you head out to it is also amazing. Just seeing where you are in comparison to everything else is just wild. The fact that it was quite windy when we went out there made me feel a little nervous, as it's one of those narrower areas of the trail. I just ensured good footing the whole time so I could enjoy the natural beauty all around the viewpoint. It was such a great little hike. I recommend checking it out for sure. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to follow us as we adventure to other national parks and monuments across the U.S., hit that subscribe button.